Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of AUDCAD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar for 26 March 2021. So this analysis is for 26 March only. You will be seeing me tomorrow or next week again with the analysis for Monday. Okay, so I bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market. So please do hit the subscribe button for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So we can see that this is the chart of AUDCAD. Okay, right now I'm using a 4 hours time frame, the standard 4 hours time frame, loved by all. Okay, and right now market is trading at 0.9549. Okay, this is the CMP current market price. Okay, let me take out the pencil. Okay, so on the left hand side you can see that I have mentioned 50 moving average as R1. Okay, this is the resistance, and as support I have mentioned 0.9527. Okay, this is the resistance. So 50 moving average, yeah, it is a valid resistance because from this point, this point, we can easily see that yes, market tried to cross but market failed, and ultimately yes, it had to go down. So 50 moving average is a very much valid resistance for the market. But does it seem like a valid support to the market? Huh, isn't it? So if you just look at the chart, okay, this, okay, 0.9527, okay, this level or this line doesn't look like a support to the market, is not it? Okay, let me take you to a different chart. So you've understood that yes, 50 moving average is a valid support. Okay, now let me clarify with, sorry, valid resistance. Now let me clarify you with the valid support of the market. Okay, now I'm switching to the 1 week time frame. It is taking time. I've noticed one thing, whenever I switch on the screen recorder, it takes a lot of time to switch to different charts. Okay, that's really very boring and painful. Okay, let me remove this line. Okay. If I remove this line, okay, and if I zoom in, okay, you can see that this is the 50 moving average now, and this is the weekly. Okay, this is the weekly chart of AUDCAD. Okay, so you can see that it was coming down, and it took support at the 50 moving average. This is the 50 moving average. Okay, from 50 moving average it took support, and yes, it seems that it has respected the 50 moving average. It did not break the 50 moving average. Okay, and we can see a small price rejection. It signifies that yes, it has respected the 50 moving average, so that's a good sign. Okay, and 50 moving average, okay, and the point where it respected the 50 moving average is 0.9527 level. Okay, let me now take you to the 1 month time frame. Okay, and you can see the same story. This is the 50 moving average, and you can see that market has taken support at the 50 moving average. Okay, and this is the same line. Okay, this is the same price level from where market has taken support, and therefore this level has become a valid support for the market. Okay, now let's switch to the normal time frame. Okay, our beloved 4 hours time frame. Okay, so right now you have understood one thing, that 50 moving average is a valid resistance to the market, and this level or this line 9527 is a valid support of the market. Okay, therefore do you think that this is the right price to short the market? No, hell no, this is not the right price to short the market. And you can also see that market is an oversold zone right now. Okay, so factors are not in our favor to short the market. So what should we do then? Okay, We should wait for the market to go up. Okay, that's it. We should wait for the market to go upward. Okay, it will take time, but see, discipline is the main thing that keeps a trader afloat on the market. Okay, if you do not follow discipline, market will throw you out. Okay, you lose your capital and everything. Okay, so stick to the discipline. So wait for the market to go up. Okay, wait for the market to go up. Okay, and wait for the time when it will hit the 50 moving average. Yes, it will go up and it will hit the 50 moving average. Okay, because the market has some support here. Okay, market will not go down easily. In case market goes down or breaks the level, then look for heavy volume. In case you see that yes, it is being the price is being supported by heavy volume, then only short term market. Okay, so otherwise, what should be your strategy? Your strategy, or the first strategy that you need to look for is wait for the market to go up. When it will hit the 50 moving average, just observe the price. Okay, just observe the price and see how the price is doing. If you see that price is struggling near the 50 moving average, then that's a good point. Okay, then that's a good point, and it signifies that yes, 50 moving average is still a valid resistance of the market. Okay, and then you just wait for the confirmation. Your confirmation can be in the form of a shooting star. Okay, shooting star kind of a pattern, or a red fat candle like this. Okay, or a bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, whatever. Okay, once you get the confirmation that yes, it's time, it's the time has come and the market will go down. Okay, then just short the market below the 50 moving average. Okay, 50 and so what's your strategy, or what you should be doing? Follow the market. Okay, let the market take uh, or get resistance from the 50 moving average. Once you get the confirmation that yes, 50 moving average is still a valid resistance, then just short the market. Okay, that's what you should do. Okay, and on the other hand, if market crosses this level, okay, this level, then just wait for a volume. Okay, just check the volume. If you see that yes, the price is being supported by volume, then wait for 3-4 hours and just try to understand the market psychology. If you see that yes, sellers are dominating the market, they are no way, sellers are allowing the bulls to take the price upward. Okay, then you can short the market. Okay, otherwise, as long as market is trading in this range, here, it doesn't matter. Wait for the market to reverse from the 50 moving average. Okay, stick to the discipline. Discipline is the main key. Okay, so this is the analysis of AUDCAD from my point of view. Hopefully you have understood the video, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much, all the best, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye, and do not forget to subscribe.